Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to share your pet store brochure with customers on WhatsApp via Facebook lead ads automatically. So let's take an example that you are a pet store owner. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running Facebook lead ads on that page. So whenever someone clicks on those ads, a Facebook lead ad form will get open. Now, you want that whenever a customer fills that Facebook lead ad form, in order to know the pricing details of your pet store services, a pet store brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of the customers from your Facebook lead ad form, then compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your pet store brochure and send it to the customers. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes quite impossible when you have hundreds and thousands of leads in a single day. So how are you going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a Facebook lead ad is generated, automatically a message along with your pet store brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customers. But here there is one problem, that there is no direct connection between Facebook and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Facebook page, that is Pets Lifestyle and Care. This is the Facebook lead ad form. Okay. And this is the form actually looks like, and this is the WhatsApp account of a customer. So now I want that whenever this particular form is filled, automatically a message along with the brochure, pet store brochure, should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. So let us fill this form over here. Let's give the full name as Adam Smith. Let's give the mobile number over here, and let's the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Now let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, and now let's move to WhatsApp and check whether the customer has received a message on his mobile number or not. So here we can see a message. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in pets, lifestyle and care. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our pet store. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Website address is mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, Pets, Lifestyle and Care. Okay. And now let us check this link. What is there inside this link? And here we can see a brochure. Okay, a pet care product brochure is shared with the customer. Okay, so here you might be wondering that I just filled this form, the Facebook lead ad form, and automatically a customer has received the brochure along with the message. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps, and anyone can do this very easily. So let me show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the pet store brochure to the customers on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ads form, the same data will be used and the pet store brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we are going to use the application, that is 360 dialog application, for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way we are going to create an integration between Facebook and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to come to sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll just click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as Send Pet Store Brochure on WhatsApp. So here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement. I'm just giving it as Send Pet Store Brochure on WhatsApp. And now let's click on Create. So here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the Facebook lead ad form, automatically your pet store brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number. So in the trigger application, we are going to select the application name as Facebook Lead Ads. In the trigger event, we have to select New Lead. Now let's click on Connect. Here we have to click on Add New Connection and connect with Facebook Lead Ads. Authorization successful. Okay, and now Facebook Lead Ads are connected to my Pabbly Connect account. So why it is connected? Just because I was already logged into my Facebook account. So make sure before creating the connection between Pabbly Connect and Facebook Lead Ads, first you have to be logged into your Facebook account. Okay, so we are done with the step 1 now, and we have created the integration between Facebook Lead Ads and Pabbly Connect. Now first at step 2 we have to capture the data. So here we have to select the page and lead generation forms. So let me take you to the page which I have already created on my Facebook account. So this is the page name, Pets, Lifestyle and Care. This is the page which I have created. And this is the Facebook lead ad form, Pets, Lifestyle and Care. So we have to select that page and this particular form in Pabbly Connect. So here let us select the page, that is Pets, Lifestyle and Care. And here in the lead generation form, we can see Pets, Lifestyle and Care is automatically captured. So from here, if you have multiple forms, you can select the one which you want to use. So as I already have one form generated in this particular page, so it is automatically captured. Okay. Now before clicking on Save and Send Test Request, I have to give you an important information that as we click on this particular option, the recent response will be captured. Okay. For that, let us create one entry of any of the customer. So let us move to the form. This is the form actually looks like. So here we have to give the full name, phone number and email address of a customer. So let us give the full name as Shikha Arya. Let's give her phone number over here. And we have to give the email address shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Okay, and now let's click on Next and Submit. Okay, thanks, you're all set. We can see that we have filled the form correctly. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and now we have to click on Save and Send Test Request. So now here we can see the responses received and the details of the customer, that is full name, phone number and email address is captured over here. Here in the field data also we can see that the response is captured in the array format also. So now we are done with step 2 also, and we have captured the data in Pabbly Connect. Now at step 3 we have to send the pet store brochure to customers on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Come to the action application over here, action window, and in the application we are going to select 360 dialog. In the action event we have to select send template message. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection, and now it is asking for the API key. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on Generate API Key button. Okay, so first we have to go to 360 Dialog account and then we'll be moving to WhatsApp account page. So let's go to 360 Dialog account over here. So this is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price. Here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts, click on this, and here we can find Generate API Key. So you have to click on Generate API Key option, then you have to generate the API key, copy that API key, move to Pabbly Connect and paste the key over here in this box. Now one more important information, that once the API key is generated over here, the same API key can be used for various connections and different workflows. We don't need to create the API key again and again. Okay. Now the second option is domain. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. Example is given https://. So we are just simply copying this and I'll be pasting it over here. So whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name. Once you have entered the API key over here and the domain name, then click on save. As I have already generated a connection previously, so I'll just click on choose existing connection and I'll just save and move further. Okay, and now 360 Dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So as we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template, we have to get it approved from Facebook, and once the template is approved, then only we can use it for sending the messages. So that is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. For that, I'll just take you to my 360 Dialog account once again. Here we can find the option Manage Templates. Click on this. So these are the templates which I have already created and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, simply click on this plus sign, Add Template, and here you can create the new template. You can give the template name. You can select the category as per your requirement. There are several categories available over here. Okay. Then you can select the language of your choice. Then you can select the template type, and here you can give the template body. Okay, the text whatever you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then click on preview and submit. And once your template is sent for the approval, and Facebook is going to approve it. Okay, and once it is approved, you can use it for sending the messages. So I'll simply close this and I'll open the one which I have already created and got it approved. That is Send Brochure Final. I'll just open this template and let us read the templates. Hello. Here I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 numbers in the curly braces. So these are the body fields which are going to change every time. Okay. The body fields values will be changing once we are mapping it in the Pabbly Connect. So let us read the template. Hello. Here the name of the customer is going to come. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your pet store name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our. Here you can give your store name or simply the store. Here you can attach the link of the brochure or your flyers. For more details, you can visit our website. Here you can give the website address. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and here again your store name is going to reflect. So in this way I have created the template. So let us select the template Send Brochure Final in Pabbly Connect. So let's move to Pabbly Connect, and here we are going to search the template, that is Send Brochure Final. Now here we can see that the namespace and language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Let's move to recipient mobile number. So recipient will be the customer. So we have already received the mobile number here, okay, from Facebook lead ads form. So let us map this particular mobile number. Let's scroll down, and here in the recipient mobile number, we'll move to Facebook lead ads and let us map the mobile number. Okay. Now here we have to enter the recipient mobile number with country code, and example is given +91 and the mobile number. So as we are in India, we have to give +91 the country code. Okay. As you can see, the +91 is already added to the number. So I am not going to do anything now. If the country code is missing from the mobile number, then please paste your country code before the number. Okay. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali. So the name is going to reflect in body field 1 in a template hello, and here we want the name of the customer. So let us map the name from Facebook lead ads, and the name was Shikha Arya. Body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. In our template body field 2, thank you for showing your interest in. Here our store name is going to reflect. So here we can find the store name, that is Pets Lifestyle and Care. This is the name of the store. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I'll just type the store name over here. Now third parameter, body field 3. Let's move to template. Here we can see, meanwhile you can check a brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our pet store. Simply we can give it as pet store. So I'll just type pet store. Okay. Now body field 4, here we can see a link is given as an example. In our template also we have to give the link of the brochure. So I have already saved my brochure in my Google Drive. I'll take you to my Google Drive, and here you can find pet care product brochure for is uploaded already. So I'll simply make a right click over here. I'll click on share option. Okay, the page is getting loaded. Okay, and here we can find get link option. So we have to simply click on copy link. The link is copied. We'll go back to Pabbly Connect and we are going to simply paste the link over here. Okay. Now body field 5, example is given a website address. So here in the template also we can find, for more details you can visit our website. We have to give the website address. For that I'll just go to my Facebook account. I'll simply copy this URL from here. I'll again go to Pabbly Connect and I'll simply paste it over here. Okay. Now body field 6, we have to give our store name once again. Here in template, the 6th parameter says thank you, regards, and again the pet store name. So let us copy the pet store name which we have already typed in body field 2, and we are just typing the same over here. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, the response is received. And now let us move to WhatsApp and check whether we have received a message over there or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp, and here we can see a new message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in pet lifestyle and care. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check a brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our pet store. Here the link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. The website address is given. The note is given. Thank you, regards, pet lifestyle and care. Okay. So this was the first parameter which we have given, that was Shikha Arya. This was the second parameter, pets lifestyle and care. The third parameter was the pet store. This was the fourth parameter, we have given a link. Fifth parameter, we have given the website, and at last we have given this store name once again. So in this way we can see that all the parameters are working fine and the correct message is composed over here. Now I'll just click on the link and check what is there inside this link. So we can see pet care product brochure. Okay, so the product brochure is shared with the customer over here. Okay, now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now let us check this in the real time. For that, again we'll have to move to our Facebook lead ad form. So now let us fill this form as David Thomas. Let's give the mobile number over here, and let's give the email address as davidthomas12@gmail.com. Okay, now let's click on next and submit. Now thanks, you're all set. Let us check WhatsApp whether the customer has received any message along with the brochure or not. And here in WhatsApp we can see a new message. Hello David Thomas, thank you for showing your interest in pets lifestyle and care. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Okay, so the same message is sent to the customer. Now I'll again check the link. Here we can see pet care product brochure. Okay, so the pet care brochure is shared with the customer once again. So in this way we can see that we have successfully created the integration and the integration is properly working fine. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll simply minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the Facebook lead ad form, automatically a WhatsApp message along with the pet store brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.